Welcome to Safe Operation. Did you know that operation in industry is the third riskiest workplace in the world? Worldwide statistics show that each day at least one industry worker doesn't return home to his family. With this locator, you can control your equipment and protect your workers at the same time. Our wide range of locators communicate wirelessly with each other in a fully automated system. Let's go and check it out. The locator on the forklift communicates with the personal locator, which has many forms. For example, a bracelet vibrates to notify of incoming danger and even slows the forklift down, eventually stops it. And what's more, locators can be installed on more forklifts to prevent their collision. Another way to notify of incoming danger is a projector. It can illuminate a pictogram on any surface, attract workers' attention, and therefore eliminate workplace blindness. There are also cases when you need to prevent people from entering the zone entirely. Our system can automatically lock the gate when the forklift gets close. You can support this solution by visualization. The locator can also automate door controls and ensure seamless movement of forklifts throughout the workplace. But anti-collision system is just one part of our technology. You can also use it for setting up speed zones. For example, it is possible to define speed for indoor and outdoor use. Our system has been developed as an open platform and offers options for continuous expansions. With our monitoring and tracking, not only you can get a nice overview of everyday operations, but you can also create an analysis of critical spots that will help you to plan work more efficiently. Our system helps you to keep your industry operations safe and ensure that your workers always get home safely.